The following content in this video is only for educational purpose, not to harm any dead or alive person or company.
Hello, viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all guys are doing absolutely well. I've got a real treat people because I'm gonna show you a list of the best free animation cartoon design software choices for 2021. I'm also gonna show you what makes them so awesome apart from the fact that they are completely free. But before starting it, let's check out our today's video sponsor is Template Monster. The Template Monster is a marketplace for designers, where you can find web template themes, plugins, video footage, and even so many graphical elements to use. They give you a wide range of selection, what possibly you can use to make your work exciting enough.
You can have unlimited downloads up to 32,000 items worth over $500,000 from here by getting one of their premium subscriptions. They have monthly and yearly packages in 3 different categories. But I recommend you to get their all-in-one package for the best value.
If you are working in KDP or in t-shirt pod business, you can try their quality mock-ups as well.
You can follow their social platform to get updated. And chat with their instant fast support that helps you to set up all things very well. They have affiliate program to what you can use to promote them and able to earn. Quite exciting, right? So, you should try them. Visit the link in video description to know more.
So, our first tool is OpenToons. It's an open source animation production software. It's an amazing free 2D animation suite. If you want to get into real 2D, frame-by-frame, animation. What I do like about the program is its ability to combine hand-drawn and digital animation. I don't know any other program that allows you to bring in scanned drawings and polish them digitally as well as OpenToons does. I'm still new to OpenToons, so I don't know all of its ins and outs yet, but it's an incredibly deep program. The ability to animate, then clean up that animation, have color swatches on your palette, bring in real hand-drawn animation to digitize. All really nice. Let's check out their system requirements for using this software. If you want to learn it, you can try this YouTube channel to learn about OpenToons from basic to advanced easily step by step. Now number 2 is Plotagon, or what people say Plotagon Story. My personal favorite animation creating tool. It's an award-winning storytelling tool for all ages. With this app, you essentially have an animation studio in the palm of your hand. You can create your characters, make it speak, and make your own movie. It has its Android version and PC version as well. Although it's free to use but have some elements on this, what if you want to use? Then you have to purchase them. But wait, here, check out the video description link, where I will share this premium animation tool with you guys free. If you want to learn how to use, just search in YouTube. There are a lot of tutorials of this software. Very easy and user-friendly. Check out the requirement to use this software. Our number 3 and the last one software is Blender. One of the most usable free 3D animation making software. If you just look at YouTube, there are so many channels, like Make Joke Of, etc., who create their animations with this tool and earn a lot of followers. With all its tools and functions, it really is as powerful as anything on the market. And the fact the Blender is open source makes it even more amazing. There are so many different aspects to Blender and many of us have different interests. Some use Blender for 3D modeling and creating beautiful still images. Some like to create animations, VFX, and more. The progression of Blender has been an interesting one to watch. They have always built and improved upon their last version. Check out the community of Blender to learn. So, that's all for today. I try something new besides my regular video type. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.
It ain't my fault.